What's up, guys? I welcome you in this wonderful video. So I just want to share with you a very important technique that I use to enter my trades. So we can see here the market has been moving in an uptrend, and then we received a corrective here, and then this wave here is a beginning of an impulsive. So when it comes to corrective waves, what I always encourage traders to do is that make sure that you trade a corrective wave that is in a pattern that you understand. For an example here, we can see that this corrective wave is in some kind of a flag pattern, which is very easy to be understood by any trader. So we can see it's a flag pattern which is going down, meaning when you are analyzing or when you are anticipating your entries from this kind of a pattern, you'll be looking for a possible breakout or a retest in the near future. But there is something very important that you need to pay attention into. For an example, as you are analyzing your uptrend, when the market enters in a corrective, you have to move your eyes from looking at the entire trend and then pay attention to this corrective as if it was the entire trend. We can see here as it is going down, just like a trend, this corrective, it gave us highs and lows. We can see here with highs, with lows, with lows, with highs. So your role as a trader, it is to focus on these highs and lows, how they change and how they respond as the corrective wave continues to go down. So for an example here, we can see that they become lower and lower, and even the lows, they become lower and lower, and then something wonderful happens here. We receive this low, which is at the moment no longer low. So we can see here this low, it is no longer lower, meaning this was a sign that this impulsive move was about to occur. It was coming. So if you are a trader who is observant, you will know that immediately when the market pushes up, pushes down, and tries to push up again without giving you a low which is lower than the previous one, you will know that okay, now whenever a breakout comes from this upward line or from this upward slope resistance, when a breakout comes, you will know and you will be bold enough to say, okay, I'm gonna take this as a buy. Why? Because this corrective wave which was going down, it proved to become weaker by giving me a low which is no longer lower than the previous one. So by observing this low, you'll know that when the market breaks out here, you will not wait for this breakout to be clear and enter maybe somewhere there. You will enter immediately here because you already understand that okay, because of this low, now the buyers, they are kicking in, or the buyers, they are coming, and the sellers, they are defeated. So then that's one of the methods that I use to actually get good timed early entries when it comes to a trending market. Even if it's not a trending market, even if it's a range, once you observe a change in the sequence or in the flow of the corrective or of that particular wave that we are analyzing, then you have to make sure that you change the way you look at the market and then anticipate your entries. So let me just keep it short and leave it here. Thank you guys for watching.